What is up everyone, my name is Sagar. So in this video I'm going to show you how to handle a connectivity in Flutter app. By the way, I already upload a video on connectivity for Flutter app, but that video was too old, so I was like, today I'm going to make a new video on it. So this is one example. On the right hand side you can see the no internet connection found. Check your connection or try again. If you do not have a Wi-Fi connection or internet, it is going to show this screen. So let me just connect to the Wi-Fi. So let me connect with the Wi-Fi. Okay, so my Wi-Fi is connected. This screen is going to turn off or hide. Okay, so you can see on the screen the red screen was just hide below it. Okay, after that let me click on this next screen. So app is working fine, and let me turn off the Wi-Fi. So I'm just turning off the Wi-Fi. So here it is. You can see that no internet connection is found. Check your connection. So our app is working fine. So let's see how we can implement this app. Okay, so for that you need to add two packages here. First package is connection status bar, and second will be the Google font, because I wanted to add some Google font into to the text. Okay, and with the help of this connection status bar we can handle a connectivity in Flutter. Okay, so this is our simple stateless widget. In the home I'm going to write my home page, and in the below I will create with the help of STL, and I'm going to create my home page here. So in the my home page, how we can implement it? So this is a stack. We are overlapping the screen above this red screen. Okay, so for that I will use a stack. Okay, so with the help of stack we can overlap any widget on it. Okay, so first widget will be the scaffold. So first I will say align. First widget will be align because I wanted to align on the top center. So alignment dot top center. So which widget you wanted to add? With the help of child I will say scaffold. First I wanted to add a scaffold. Scaffold has a property app bar. Okay, I will add a app bar, and the title will be the connection, sorry, in the double quoted comma, connection in Flutter. Okay, Control S. Okay, it is showing some error because I just hot reload a screen. After that I will show a body here. In the body we have a center. In the center I will show a child property, and child will be has a text, and text will be home page. Okay, for just simplicity. After that we are going to use the package, which is connection status bar. So first of all let me import that package into this main.dart file. So import connection status bar. Okay, so we just import this package. Let me also add here connection status bar. Okay, so this connection status bar has some property. Let me show you this property. First property will be the title. Which title you wanted to text you wanted to add on this red screen. I will show the connection is not found, please check your internet. Whatever what you wanted to add here on the red screen. Okay, I will mention height of the screen. So I will say double dot infinity. Double dot infinity, because I wanted to cover the whole screen. So for the whole screen I will use double dot infinity, and I wanted to give a style to this text, I wanted to use a Google font. So I will say Google fonts dot, here it is our font, and in this font I wanted to show the size of the font will be the 18, and the color of the font will be white. Okay, color will be the white. Okay, so this is our text. Let me control S, and how it is showing on the screen. uh, unimplemented handling missing, something is missing. Okay, we need to wrap this tag with the material, so I will wrap this tag with the material widget here. I will control S. Still we are in the error. Let me hot restart the app. Yeah, so our app is working fine. It is showing the red screen because I am not connected to the internet. And let me also give some alignment to it, which is text alignment. So I will use text alignment dot center. So here it is. Internet connection is not found. Let me say internet connection is not found. Please check your internet. And let's just say this is your home page, and let's just say if you have a second page, and on the second page you also wanted to show this red screen on it. Okay, so for that, first of all I will extract this widget into a different stateless widget. So I will give a name to this stateless widget, which is the connection status bars. Okay, so we just extract this connection status bar. So with the help of this method we can access this stateless widget anywhere. Okay, so after that I will create here one raise button. With the help of raise button we can navigate from one screen to another screen. So I will first create this raise button. Okay, so raise button, first we are going to just implement the empty on press button. Here first I will add a child. In the child we will add a text, navigate second screen. Just give us second screen here. Okay, let me check how it is happening. So our app is connected to the internet. Let me wrap this raise button to the center, so our button will be also in the center. Okay, control S. So our button is in the center. After that I will add here one navigation. So navigator dot off context dot push to a material page route. So with the help of the context property we can pass to the different screen, which will be the second screen here. So we haven't created our screen, so that is the reason it is giving us error. Let me create a second screen just below this connection bar. So stl second screen. Okay, this will be our second screen. Here we need to give a scaffold, and in the scaffold I will add a body. So the body will be a center home page. So in the child I will mention a text can show our second screen, not home page, second screen here. Okay, so this is our second screen. So this is our second screen. In the second screen we have a center, this red screen. So for that we are going to add here a stack. So I will first add a stack has a property which is children property, and I will just cut this center from here, remove the child, add here this center text, and in the center text I will add this connection status bars here. Okay, so with the help of this status connection bar, it will always check we are connected to internet or not. Okay, let me control S. So okay, is it working or not? Let me check. Okay, yeah, we are going to navigate from one screen to another. So if I click on the second screen, we are going to navigate to a different screen. And let me also show you, let me also add here app bar, so that we can go back to a previous screen. App bar, text, second screen. Okay, this is our second screen, and let me turn off the Wi-Fi. So I'm just turning off the Wi-Fi, and it is also going to show us the internet connection is not found. Please check your internet. But this second, why it is showing us this second screen? So for that we need to wrap this k-fold with a stack. So for that, how we can do it, let me remove this stack from here. Okay, I'm going to remove from here also. Okay, so I will wrap this k-fold first with the align property. Okay, because I wanted to align this k-fold on top center, so I will alignment dot top center. Okay, so this is the child, and this connection status bar we cannot show here. After that, I will wrap this align with a stack. Okay, and the stack has a children property, and we are going to add this align inside this stack. We are going to inside this stack, remove this child, and here I am going to add connection status bar here. Okay, Control S. So our app is connected to the internet. Let's go back to our previous screen. Turn off the Wi-Fi. If we are going to turn off the Wi-Fi, it is going to show us a red screen. So this is it. It is showing us a red screen. Let me just turn on the Wi-Fi. If I'm going to turn off the Wi-Fi, the red screen is going to vanish. So we just connected to the Wi-Fi, and the screen is just vanish. Let me also add a center title here. Center title true. So the title will be in the center. Okay, let me go into the second screen, turn off the Wi-Fi. So here it is, the internet connection is not found. Please check your internet, and it is also showing us this yellow bar. So if you wanted to remove a yellow bar, you need to wrap this stack with the material widget like this. It is going to show us this internet connection is not found. Please check your internet. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any problem to implementing this connectivity in Flutter app, let me know in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.
You wanna know just where